Hai semua, apa khabar? Penjodoh bilangan in a simple term is a classifier of nouns, and its broader meaning in Malay is a word used together with a number to count concrete or non-abstract nouns such as people, animals, things, places, and so on. It is similar to collective nouns in English, but the difference is in Malay, penjodoh bilangan is used only with non-abstract nouns. Before we proceed with more details, I need your help to boost this channel so more people who loves Malaysia and wants to speak Malay like locals by subscribing, like, share and leave some comments. I believe that you can help me too. Terima kasih. Let's continue. There are so many penjodoh bilangan used in Malay, but don't be intimidated yet. We will take one step at a time, one by one. Today, we will cover only one very common penjodoh bilangan, which is orang. As an example, 3 orang India. 3 is the number, orang is penjodoh bilangan or the classifier, and India is the noun classified. You could say as 3 India, and the natives somehow will understand you based on the context, but this will show that you are not well versed with the language. As a beginner in Malay, you will be asked this kind of question when introducing yourself. Apa kerja awak? Awak kerja apa? What is your job? So you may answer in proper Malay, saya seorang, followed by your job. In this example is, let's say you are a teacher, you may say, saya seorang guru, or a similar word for guru is cikgu. Saya seorang cikgu. I am a teacher. Se refers to the number 1 and orang is the classifier, while guru is the noun classified. This sentence is proper, but colloquially we drop the classifier or penjodoh bilangan orang and just say it as saya guru, saya cikgu. So when someone asks you, what is your job? Apa kerja awak? Apa kerja kamu? Awak kerja apa? Kamu kerja apa? So you may say saya and followed by the job's name. Here are a list of jobs for your reference. Another example is to say the existence of something. You will use the word ada, and this has been covered in the previous lesson. Check out the link in the description box. As an example, ada 2 orang guru. There are 2 teachers. You may say ada 2 guru, colloquially of course, and it is okay, but let's say someone is asking you, ada berapa orang guru kat sekolah awak? Ada berapa orang guru kat sekolah kamu? You can answer this question with these possibilities. Ada 2 orang guru. There are 2 teachers. This is the most complete and proper answer. Or for the other options are, ada 2 guru, dropping the classifier or penjodoh bilangan, which means there are 2 teachers. Notice, even if you drop the penjodoh bilangan, the meaning in English is still the same. There are 2 teachers. Or when the context is understood, just say, ada 2 orang, with the classifier but dropping the noun classified. There are 2 people. Or even shorter, ada 2, dropping both the classifier and noun classified. There are 2. Or the shortest is 2. Can we drop penjodoh bilangan whenever possible or whenever the context is understood? Of course, you can drop the classifier or penjodoh bilangan. However, it is clear to the natives that you don't really have the excellent grasp of the language. Let's do some drill, a very easy one. Just add the number before the penjodoh bilangan orang. Seorang, 2 orang, 3 orang, 4 orang, 5 orang, 6 orang, 7 orang, 8 orang, 9 orang, 10 orang, and so on. Refer to the lesson of numbers so you could do the same drill with other numbers on your own. Well, we have reached the end of the lesson. Remember this tip, repetition. Repeat and vocalize the Malay words whenever possible. The more the better. Sampai jumpa lagi dan terima kasih.